Loops in C language. Okay, first question is, what is loop? Any repeated task more than one time is called as a loop. There are mainly three types of loop: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Here the syntax of while loop. First part is initialization, in which value declared. Then in whiles loop condition is declared, and if condition is true then it performs some updation, which is in body of while loop. The example of while loop is void main bracket integer I is equal to 1. It is initialization while I less than 5 condition. Then printf value is equal to %d I plus plus. Okay, I is equal to 1. Then it goes I less than 5. Yes, it is true. Then it go printf is equal to value, printf bracket value is equal to %d. So value is equal to 1 and I plus plus. So I is equal to 2. Then it go in while loop. While 2 less than 5. Yes, it is true. So value is equal to %di value. So value is equal to 2 and value of I become I plus plus. Value of I will be 3. 3 less than 5. Yes, it is true. So value is equal to 3. Then I plus plus. So value of I is equal to 4. 4 less than 5. Yes. So value is equal to 4. I plus plus. So value of I will be 5. 5 less than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. The value is equal to 5. I plus plus. So value of I will be 6. 6 is not less than 5. So it terminates program and our output is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Second loop is for loop. The syntax of for loop is for in bracket initialization, then condition and increment or decrement. And if our condition is true, then it performs some updation. Example of for loop is, we declare some variable, float, radius, area and integer I. For I is equal to 1, I less than 10. Initialize I is equal to 1, condition is I less than 10 and in increment or decrement operation. Then I is equal to 1, 1 less than 10, and we enter some radius like radius is equal to 5. Then it perform area 3.4 into 5 into 5 and then increment. So I will be 2. It goes up to 10 times. While loop we initialize first and then condition. But in this loop we initialize in the syntax of for loop. Initialization, condition and increment or decrement. Third loop is do while loop. The syntax of do while is do in brackets of updation perform and then increment and decrement. After bracket we will apply some condition while in bracket test condition. The difference between while and do while is in while it checks condition first and then it perform if condition is true, but in do while loop it executes first and then check condition. So our condition is wrong, then so if condition is false then it performs at least one time. Example of do while loop: void main, float, we define float radius and area and integer I is equal to 1. Do in bracket printf enter radius, scanf %d and r and area is equal to 3.4 into r and then increment and decrement. So I plus plus, and after bracket we apply condition while I less than 5. Suppose we enter radius is equal to r is equal to 5, then area will be 3.4 into 5 into 5 and then I plus plus, so value of I will be 2. and then check condition. Do while loop के जैसा ही वर्क करता है, but the difference between while and do while is in while loop checks condition first. In do while loop it execute first and then check condition. सो अगर हमारी कंडीशन फॉल्स भी हुई तो भी डू व्हाइल लूप वन टाइम तो एग्जीक्यूट करेगा ही. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस लूप. थैंक यू.